it's Eva from Noshki's Nails and Plus. On my nails today are 2 coats of this indie polish from Girly Bits. I got this at PolishCon last year. The name of it is called Freeze Frame, and we will be stamping using Bundle Monster. This was part of a kit that I got. This one is called Icy Blue, and it's BMXL 356. I already started on one nail. I might just keep that one design all the way across. And if you're wondering why this nail is shorter, is because when I went to go peel the butternut squash for Thanksgiving dinner, I accidentally basically took off some of my nail. Luckily, I wasn't hurt. There was no bleeding involved. It was just the actual nail itself. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this.